Assalamu alaikum, good people. This is Kazi Azad. I'm living in Naranganj. Currently, I'm doing my masters from Bangladesh Institute of Bank Management. Recently, I have completed my BBA from Brack University, and I have recently joined in CMBD-69 batch. So now, why I'm here? Already e-commerce era has started all over the world, but in Bangladesh we are still behind, and I think there are lots of opportunity if we have these skills in us. So now you might ask, why CMBD then? So if you are asking this question, I must say that you have not joined in the success group already, and you didn't follow that. And I also noticed that they are supporting their newcomers and their members 24/7 and for lifetime, and they are working as a family and they are working together. That's why their success comes first. And now you might ask, why advanced e-commerce? What is my aim with that course? I think I do not have to look for the marketplace all the time to earn money for the clients and all. I think I can set up my own online store, and set up and build my own online store, like Chaldal is doing really fine. So why we always look for the marketplace? We can set up our own online store as well. So inshallah, I believe that our supervisors support and help will help us together, and inshallah we CMBD 69 batch will rock. Thank you so much.